Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in your Lexus GX460 key fob. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR1632 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick, usually taking just a few minutes from start to finish. Let's get started by preparing your key fob for disassembly. Now, hold your key fob firmly. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: just like you want your key fob to work reliably, you want your socks to last. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR1632 battery. Now, take your new CR1632 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces up, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Make sure all the internal components are seated correctly. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test your key fob to ensure it locks, unlocks, and starts your vehicle properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.